Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Facebook Audience Network for ad payouts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Facebook Audience Network for ad payouts, begin by navigating to the Facebook for Developers website. Log in with your Facebook account credentials. Once logged in, select My Apps from the top navigation menu. Click on the Add a New App button. Enter a display name for your app and choose an appropriate contact email. Select the type of app you are creating, usually consumer is appropriate for Audience Network. Proceed by clicking on the Create App ID button. You may be prompted to complete a security check. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. After creating your app, navigate to the Settings section on the left sidebar. In the Basic tab, fill out any required fields such as Privacy Policy URL and Terms of Service URL. Next, click on Add Platform and select Website as your platform type. Enter your website URL in the provided field. Now, go to the Audience Network option in the left sidebar menu. Enable the Audience Network by switching the toggle to Yes. Follow the instructions to set up your Audience Network. You will need to input your payment details, including tax information if necessary. To authenticate your ad payouts, visit the Monetization section. Link your business account by selecting the appropriate option under the Business tab. Complete any additional steps required to verify your business account. Once your business account is linked, ensure that your payment account is also properly set up. You may need to confirm your identity through a series of verification steps set by Facebook. After completing these requirements, check your payout settings and update them as needed. Lastly, review all settings and ensure that everything is correctly configured. Once confirmed, you are now ready to start earning ad payouts through Facebook Audience Network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.